Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you'll be fine. Open your workbooks, page number 2. Today we'll revise our first poem from workbook Adventures of Isabel. Part A. Tell us more adverbs. Adverbs add to or tell us something more about the verbs, adverbs and adjectives. Adverbs tell us how, when, where or why something happens. So first question is, sort the adverbs below into 4 groups of words. These are 4 groups of words and we are to sort out the adverbs according to how, where, when and why. For example, how, adverb of manner, promptly, gracefully. Where, adverb of place, there, aside. When, adverb of time, now, recently. Why, adverb of cause, therefore, because. In this way, we are to find out adverbs according to their group and we are to write them over here. Next question is, write down the adverbs formed from the following adjectives. Use your dictionary if necessary. These are the adjectives and we are to form their adverbs. For example, happy, happily, full, fully, whole, wholly, steady, steadily, brave, bravely, clumsy, clumsily, unkind, unkindly, usual, usually, etc. Part B. Tenses revision. The simple present tense. The simple present tense is formed with the infinitive. For example, we have an infinitive to sleep. Simple present of this infinitive is I sleep, negative I do not sleep, interrogative do I sleep. First question is, for each of the following uses of the simple present tense, give some examples of your own. These are the uses A, B, C, D and these are the examples and we are to make our own examples too. So first is, the simple present tense is used to express things we do as habits. For example, he works, they play the piano. And our own example is, he goes to school. B. This tense is often used with adverbs or adverb phrases such as always, often, never, sometimes, on Friday, twice a week, etc. Examples, he always brings us presents. She sometimes cries. Our own example is, they often come this way. C. The simple present tense is also used for things that are always true. For example, birds fly, the earth moves around the sun. Shadows are dark. Part D. It is used for a planned future action. For example, we leave Karachi on Friday night and arrive in Multan on Sunday. Our own example is, we fly tomorrow. It is used instead of the present continuous tense with some verbs. Example, love, I love chocolates. Not, I am loving chocolates. So our own example is, I hate Maham because of her attitude. Second question is, read and underline all the verbs. This is the paragraph which we are to read and we are to find out the verbs from this paragraph. For example, Salman works in a travel agency. Works, shares, drives, arrives, greets, says, enters, puts, takes, orders, sits, reads. Third question is, write 2 paragraphs like the one above using the notes below. Use the simple present tense to show habitual action. Try to use different verb in each sentence. Got the point? It means this and this. There are 2 pictures and notes are given below and we are to follow these notes and we are to write a paragraph in present tense which show the habitual action like this paragraph which is given above. So it's your own work, you are to do it. Part C, working with words. Do you know what the following people are called? A person who flies planes, called pilot. A person who collects stamps, philatelist. A person who makes a challenge, challenger. A person who climbs mountains, mountaineer. A person who studies the stars, astronomer. A person who studies flowers and plants, botanist. A person who mends car engines, mechanic. A person who studies rocks, geologist or archaeologist. A person who operates on people in a hospital, doctor or surgeon. A person who is learning a trade, apprentice. Next, second question, give the feminine or masculine noun for the following. Actor, actress, conductor, conductress, hero, heroine, line, lioness, bachelor, spinster, duke, duchess, lord, lady, headmaster, headmistress, wizard, witch, countess, count, wife, husband, woman, man, fiancé, fiancée, emperor, empress, gentleman, ladies, widow, widower. Solution of all these questions has been attached with your diary.